Welcome. Today we're covering 5 entrepreneurs show real revenue after first AI system. Numbers. We asked 5 real entrepreneurs across Southeast Asia one simple question. What happened to your revenue after you deployed your first smart system? No hype, no projections, no potential figures. Just actual numbers from actual business owners who went live with AI automation. Some as recently as 6 weeks ago. The results surprised even us. One founder saw a 340% increase in qualified leads within 30 days. Another actually lost money in week 1 before turning it around. This is the honest, unfiltered truth about what happens when small and mid-sized businesses in our region implement their first AI-powered system. In this tutorial-style breakdown, we walk through each entrepreneur's setup, their investment, their timeline, and, most importantly, their revenue impact with real dashboard screenshots and verified data. Key points covered. Why most AI revenue claims online are misleading, and how to read them. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.